got my hubcap in the mail today for my 27 Cadillac. I know it came pretty fast, and I don't know how to open packages, but anyway, use manpower to rip it open. Alright. Oh wow, it's all bubble wrapped. It won't damage it. It's so hard to find parts for an antique car. But I just want the logo for my car because they're hard to find. Alright, look at that. It's beautiful. It looks more beautiful in person than it does in the... oh, look at the inside, how clean it is. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take it up, put it in my car and drive away. My old car. When do you ever get parts like this? If I had to have that thing remade, it would have cost hundreds of dollars. Little emblems here, exactly the same thing, except in micro. And then on my hubcap here, this is the exact same size as the one that's in here. Look at that. No, it's a little larger, actually. Beautiful. I have 3 places I could possibly use it. I could put it on here, just like it is without touching it. I'm missing this emblem, so my original thought was to cut it out here and just put it right here where it belongs. Okay.